All birds find shelter during rain. But eagle avoids rain by flying above clouds. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. All of us do not have equal talent. But, all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Failure will never overtake me if my definition to succeed is strong enough. I'm not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. The best brains of the nations may be found on the last benches of the classrooms. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. If you fail, never give up, because FAIL means first attempt in learning. End is not the end. If fact END means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember NO means next opportunity. So let's be positive. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to those who dream and work. I will work and sweat for a great vision, the vision of transforming India into a developed nation. Don't read success stories, you will only get message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Your best teacher is your last mistake. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. No matter what is the environment around you, it is always possible to maintain brand of integrity. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy the success. Unless India stands up to the world, no one will respect us. In this world, fear has no place. Only strength respects strength. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Thinking is the capital, enterprise is the way, hard work is the solution. Be active. Take on responsibility. Work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others.